Hi there, I'm Farnoosh Brock, and I'm talking to you today about my latest book. This is my fourth book, The Big Book of Healing Drinks. It came out May 2019 when we are shooting the video. You can grab it anywhere you buy your books, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or if you would like a personalized signed copy, message me. So I want to talk to you about the previous books I wrote and how they are different from this book, so you can decide whether this one is the best choice for you in your lifestyle and with your goals in mind, or whether you need some of the other books. So the first book is my little gem, The Healthy Juicer's Bible. Now this is all about juicing. Juicing is when you use a juicer, and that's not the same as a blender, and you extract the pulp from your fruits and vegetables and you drink the juice. Now I do have ideas in this book, not just how to make your juices, but also what to do with the pulp if you don't wish to discard it. But this book is all about juicing. Hardcover, beautiful color, pictures, and lots of recipes. And this is for my absolute beginners to juicing, as well as those of us who want to kick it up a notch and incorporate more intermediate and advanced ideas. We do talk about building the juicing habit in your life and a section on juice fasting. In fact, I am on my day 3 of my fast for this year, and it is going really well. So this is all about juicing. Now, juicing is when you want to do a complete overhaul, a cleanse, whether you've been eating poorly or you've just been going through a lot with your health and you're low on energy, you're fatigued and maybe really emotional, and you want to just do a complete reset on your body. Juicing is fabulous for that, and it is truly my first love. But that was the juicing book. Following that, the next year, we, and by we I mean my husband and I, he does help me write these books, even though my name is the only one down here, which is fine. But Andy and I embarked on writing the Healthy Smoothie Bible. Now, the Healthy Smoothie Bible is all about smoothies, as you can imagine. For that, all you need is a blender. Most of our kitchens have a blender. You can opt to get a more powered blender, but all you need is a blender. This is my most popular book because I believe smoothies are so much easier and also more filling. So smoothies can replace a meal for you. And we talk about building your smoothie habit from scratch. So if you've never done any smoothies, this book is great for you. If you've done smoothies for years, but maybe making the same 2 or 3 smoothies, this is great because you want to incorporate variety in the ingredients that you use. Or you just want to learn more about smoothies and maybe someday you'll pick it up. So this book is again hardcover, beautiful, a little bigger than the Juicer's Bible, beautiful color, very nice quality paper. I was very happy with this. And I have about 100 smoothie recipes here. So you go from very, very simple to more complex and lots of options. So that's the Smoothie Bible. Now, following that, I took a little bit of a pivot and I wrote my business book, The Serving Mindset, Stop Selling and Grow Your Business. Obviously, no recipes here. I'm actually just back from Google in California, where I felt so privileged to be invited to do a talk at Google on my book. So I won't be getting into the details of this book, but I will link a video below if you want to learn more about the serving mindset. Now, following the serving mindset, which came out November 2018, we come to the Healing Drinks book. I wrote this book because I had more ideas to share around wellness and around ways that you can incorporate those wellness habits in your busy lifestyle. Nobody argues that we are busier than ever, whether you are a full-time parent, professional, or you have other activities, other projects, other pursuits. You are busy. And so sometimes, or maybe often, their wellness gets pushed to the side. And this is not just among us women, it happens to all of us. And I have never met anyone in my life that did not regret making their wellness and health second priority. Because if you're not feeling your absolute best, you cannot give your best to your world, to your family, friends, your peers, your colleagues, and have your impact with your work. So taking care of yourself is a priority. And I share those thoughts, that mindset around health and healing, and those ideas here, because that I think is the biggest shift. And so the healing drinks give you ideas on how to incorporate those habits, and I give you so many different options. So we start with a section on juices, similar to the Healthy Juicers Bible, but new recipes, and then a section on smoothies, again similar to the Smoothie Bible, but new recipes again. It was a busy summer in the kitchen, let me tell you. And then we move on to tonics and elixirs, which are more concentrated healing drinks. Then we have a section on homemade broths. We have a section on homemade nut milks and some other potions, my magic potion I call it. I put that recipe in here, as well as my favorite section, which is how to make a fine cup of tea. So we talk about loose leaf tea benefits and how to incorporate that into your life, plus many other ideas. But the biggest hope I have for this book, for you, is to help you shift your mindset around wellness, around healing, to remember that you do have the power to influence that journey. Whether you are feeling great, whether you're feeling a little sluggish, a little fatigued in your life's journey, or whether you're recovering from something and you want to take better care of yourself. So I am really excited about this book. Again, it is hardcover, color pages, came out really beautiful, and I am hoping that it will help you get healthier and as a result happier on your life's journey. I'm Farnoosh Brock. Message me if you would like a signed copy, and always, always put your health first. Cheers, bye.